To summarise it all for illustrators and designers, the sign action within Peircean semiotic theory is comprised of a determination flow underpinning it. Semiosis goes beyond the signifier and the signified of Saussure's semiology by pulling in the important aspect of the audience. That is one of the really key things about semiosis that is really crucial for designers and illustrators when it comes to understanding how effective Peirce's semiotic theory can be. Once understood and applied into your illustration or graphic design ideation phases, semiotically the concept, how it's represented and how it's interpreted, or just to put it back in Peirce's technical language, object, representment and interpretant. Illustrators and designers can see that